Ready to run for something bigger than yourself? This June, Gandhinagar comes alive with energy, fitness and purpose. Welcome to Run for Nature 2026, organized by Spotlight Events. A refreshing morning run supporting a healthier lifestyle and a greener tomorrow. Join us on June 28, 2026 at 5:30 am in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Choose your challenge. 5K Run for Change, 599 rupees. 3K Fun Run, 499 rupees. Every participant gets a BIB t-shirt, finisher medal, certificate and refreshments. Limited tickets. Register now. www.endlessevent.com